All right, everybody, we are back. It's Wednesday. She got my name tatted on her boobs. Um, sorry, brain fart. Let's talk about the stock market. Starting off on the weekly. So I want to show you guys something. We we are in this weekly fair value gap, right? We tapped into it and we swept out a lot of low resistance liquidity. And we tapped into a higher time frame fair value gap. Scaling out, we really don't. Ooh, wait a minute. Those are like really nicey, really nice, like kind of like almost equal lows down here. Anyway, so we go to the daily and um, any SMTs. Did we sweep these out? We did. I mean, we do have an SMT with these lows down here. We could mark it. Fuck it, why not? Bam. Weekly fair value gap swept out a lot of resistance, SMT. Okay, and that's really all I'm seeing on the daily. We have this order block, however, but let's scale in a little bit more. And this is where it gets interesting. So we are in a weekly time frame. So using time frame alignment, we would look at the 4 hour. Now, NQ is really hesitating to get a body closure above this high. Why? Because this would indicate that price would potentially want to go higher. Um, However, I should just delete this. I'm not gonna lie. However, we are refusing to we are refusing to put a body closure above. What am I seeing? I'm seeing that we have this 4 hour on both pairs. Um, and we have an SMT here. I'm not gonna lie, I'm bearish. I am bearish. I'm not gonna lie. That's why I'm kind of disregarding that SMT because price right here is telling me bearish. Let's scale in a little bit more. We are moving down. Nothing necessarily on the hourly, except we disrespected this hourly fair value gap, which was supporting price for a while overnight. We disrespected it, traded back within it, and are going lower. So, oh, played it out beautifully. What time was this? 5 o'clock? Yeah. I saw this around 5 o'clock this morning, and I was like, okay. We were coming from a higher time frame fair value gap, and we had a change in the state. Okay. And I went to the 15 minute. I saw that we had this 15-minute fair value gap. Like a 15-minute CISD. We had this 15-minute fair value gap. What time was this? 5:30. Was there a nice entry around 5:30? This was that move up. Did we ever get a change in the state? No. But we got one here with nice displacement. So A, you could have either shorted here with stops up here. I mean, that's only 22 points. And then target, whatever. Probably first TP, I'm not gonna lie, probably would have been there. This is a nice trade. It was pretty, Actually, it delivered kind of to this low kind of quickly, but it really hesitated, and then tanked. Hesitated. It's 8:20. Anyway, we will mark out the session highs and lows. London's high, and we already actually swept London's low and Asia's low. So we could just mark out other. Anyway, so I'm bearish, and we're gonna come back a little bit later and see what price does. All right, everybody. How's the lighting? That made me laugh. Okay. I haven't taken a trade. I haven't taken a trade yet. We haven't really done jack shit. You know, I'm sitting here and I'm watching these moves since markets opened, and I'm like, if I just shorted up here, bam, 58, 100 points. Long, 100. Shorted, basically 100, and then like fucking, I don't know, how many is this? Like 80 there, like 126 there. By longs here, fucking 170. That's the shit that pisses me off because I see that thinking or knowing that I only need 50 points. I say only 50, but I mean, we've been moving like fucking crazy this whole for the past few weeks. Anyway, I'm looking at this 5 minute. We broke structure on the 5 minute to the upside, and we're in this 5 minute fair value gap. So, I'm looking to see if I can take a long, but it has yet to give me any confirmation that it wants to go higher. I mean, we've literally been ranging. Look at this. I mean, look at the 15-minute candles, man. There's nothing, and it's 10:20, so I have to leave in like 20 minutes for a class. And I mean, yeah, just thought I would give you guys an update. Hey, buddy, just quick little. I took a little trade, and then I gave back my profits, but I was up like $700. I gave back some money. What are you gonna do? I'm gonna be honest. I don't know where the hell I took this trade, which is going over market. Nothing here. And then I was looking for things, but I was waiting for a 5 minute retrace into any fair value gap. Or actually got it. So this whole move up from in class and then to up here, I was looking for a trade, but we never got one. I was waiting for a 5 minute retrace. We didn't even really get a lot of 1 minutes. I mean, like, yeah, we did, but it was kind of messy. It moved up. And then, where's price? Uh, so after this initial move up, a little bit of a retrace. Where was I here? I don't remember. There really wasn't a trade though. And then from here to here, I don't know what. I don't know if I remember. The market, um, in general was kind of shit. I think I took a trade over here, in here. My girl. Oh wait, no, I didn't. I don't even know where I took a trade. It doesn't. But I'll go over the trade that I took right now. We had this fair value gap. Bam. Nice reaction. I went here. I waited for this 30 seconds. First, wait for it to get an inverse. We came back within it. I entered longs. I didn't have my stop. I had my stop like something like here. And I got stopped down. I'm shitting the bed. So, whatever. Um, Tomorrow is another day. What is tomorrow? Oh, tomorrow is not. Oh no, Friday is not a good day to trade. But Thursday we should be fine. It's the day before. Thursday, Friday might be a little iffy, but we'll see. I'm gonna be honest. There's not really any trades here that are worth over. I mean, you had this trade at 12:45 that I wanted to take here. I remember this. 12:45. Here. We had this nice sell-off into a 15-minute fair value gap, 1 minute CISD, and I was like, you could have just entered off the change and stayed. Stops like something like this, and then it would actually end up going a lot higher. But this was the trade. But I saw this in the car. I was like, this is the. Or actually, I saw it. Ugh. As I was walking to the car, and I was like, I wanted to see if we could pull back into something, but we never did. So, um, this was the honestly, the only good trade. When is the 4 hour close? 4 minutes. If we close above this line, we'll have a CISD to um, yeah, we'll have a CISD to the upside. It's taking a lot in me right now to not just click short, but I'm not. That's not, me trading. That's just me gambling. The CISD for ES is all the way up here. We're nowhere near that. We're not going to hit that stuff. Advice going into tomorrow, honestly, but we'll see. Anyway, I'm gonna see you guys tomorrow, and yeah, I don't even know what my bias was today. I don't think I said anything, but we'll see. So I'll see you guys later. Try to do some final market review. If I just clicked short when I saw it, it would have been about 27, 30 points. Wouldn't have been enough to pass anything, but I would have made back what I lost and then some. 30 times. It's not nice to think like this, but what are you gonna do? I'm only human. Anyway, I'm gonna see you guys. My camera's not even on. I'm gonna see you guys tomorrow.